ChatGPT, an artificially intelligent search engine, the closest thing we have to Iron Man's Jarvis. Isang artificially intelligent search engine to the point na kaya na makipag-usap ng parang tao. Hindi tulad ng Google na pag nag-search ka, websites yung lalabas. Okay ba to for research? Yes. Kaya ka ba niyang tulungan gumawa ng website? Abay, oo, bibigyan niya mismo yung code sa'yo. Okay ba to sa mga single dyan na wala makausap? Why not? Pero syempre, Diskarte with Mendy nga eh. Ano pa nga ba tatanungin natin? What are the best side hustles to make money for 2023? Here are a few popular side hustles for 2023. I mean, this isn't bad. That's crazy how you can get results in an instant like that. Online tutoring or teaching, I think the only way you can make money out of this is if ikaw na yung host mismo, meaning meron kang sariling brand as an online teacher or online tutor. You can go on the websites and do it that way and get clients abroad. Personally, I'm not saying I'm right, but I think the way to go is to create your own brand as an online teacher and then do business development, do lead generation, find your own clients, craft a business around what you want to teach. Number 2, drop shipping has always been there on any list. Again, I said this before in my other vlogs or my other videos, but drop shipping requires really a lot of money. And in a nutshell, 70 to 80% of your funds will go to marketing. And if you want to run that way, you can, but I'm telling you, you need a lot of money. Number 3 is freelancing. Freelancing is king. And if you do it the same way na sinabi ko kanina for online tutoring, where you build your own brand, build your own business around freelancing, build a structure, find clients offshore, and leverage off of dollar rates, it can be very, very good even if you just do it as a side hustle. Number 4 na sabi niya is online content creation. Need I say more? Personally, I think kulang pa rin yung content creators dito sa Philippines. I think one of the reasons why Western content is being pushed inwards is because kulang pa rin yung content creation or content creators here. So if you can, make content and put it on YouTube. Specifically, YouTube. Number 5 is virtual event planning. I don't know about this because bumabalik na lahat into the physical event space. But giving it a thought right now, I think my opinion is, people that want to do this and specialize in this and really stick to it through the years, meaning hindi ka bibitaw. Isa ka sa mga magiging very experienced when it comes to this in the next couple of years. Yeah, I think this can make money. Online fitness coach. Guys, kung online fitness coach ka nga pala and you want a job, DM mo ko sa Instagram because I think I need this. Kitang-kita nyo naman yung mga holiday cheeks na yan. But yeah, I think I also mentioned this on one of my videos, even from last year. I think this will make money, period. Just make sure na meron ka mga certifications. Make sure na, again, you create a brand for yourself and make people understand that you know what you are doing and you know how to get them to that specific point in their weight or their performance, physical performance. This will make money. Digital marketing, interesting because I'm building a business on this. Like dropshipping, digital marketing is very tricky, but once you get the hang of it, once you build a portfolio, you build your brand, especially kung full suite ka like me, video production, digital marketing, content strategy, graphic design, web development, and app development, this has been on the list for a very long while. Like I said before, it'll just take time for you to master graphic design and web dev and app dev. But come to think of it, what better time to begin to learn than now? Because meron ka ng ChatGPT, meron ka ng Canva, meron ka ng Figma. Problema mo lang dito is sobrang daming competition. So, you better bring your A game or dapat meron ka talaga magandang branding and digital strategy or digital marketing strategy for you to be able to get clients. Pwede rin naman sa Upwork, but again, sa Upwork, you're gonna have to build that. Pwede rin sa LinkedIn, but you're gonna have to build LinkedIn as well and maybe spend money to be able to build it properly. But yeah, this is great. Okay, next question. Inisip ko ngayon magbabago kaya yung sagot niya kung sabihin natin nasa Pilipinas tayo. What are the best side hustles to make money in the Philippines? Tingnan natin kung nagbago yung sagot. Pero bago ko ibigay yung results ng second question, I have a very important question. Na-register mo na ba yung SIM card mo? The SIM Registration Act is now fully mandated by the Philippine government. So you have to make sure that you register your SIM card. Hindi ko alam sa inyo pero sobrang iritang-irita ako sa mga bigla-biglang nagte-text na mga kung ano-ano. Sa mga text na yun, nag-o-offer sila ng mga paraan kung paano kikita. Click this link, register on this link, do this for me, mag-invest ka. Guys, ang daming scam. Kawawa yung mga taong talaga naghahanap ng totoong diskarte. For smart postpaid users, all you have to do is type yes and send it to 5858. And that's it, you're done. But if you are a prepaid user, all you have to do is 3 simple steps. Pwede nyo rin gawin sa phone nyo to, but all you have to do is visit smart.com.ph/simreg. I'll put the link down in the comment section so you can just click it. But once you're there, all you have to do is enter your number, get an OTP, and once you get get that OTP and enter it, it will ask for your details and then require you to upload an ID. If you are scared for the security of the data or your personal information in your IDs, we have a law for that. So Smart is taking this very, very seriously. They want to make sure that they comply with the Data Privacy Act. And then once you filled all that up and click submitted, after a couple of minutes, you will receive a text confirming your registration and also ensuring you that your data is safe with Smart. Please register your SIM card. It is only running for 180 days. So go out there and register. And now, back to the actual episode. Mukhang same lang. Whoa, wait. Dinagdagan niya, number 9, online selling. Online platforms such as Lazada, Shopee, Facebook Market. How is this possible? That's crazy. Number 10, home-based food business. If you watch one of my other episodes, I forgot which one, but I broke down kung ano yung pinagagastos ng mga Pilipino, and a majority of it really is pagkain. Okay, so next question. What are the best online businesses what are the best businesses? The best business to start in 2020 will depend on your skills, interests, and market demand. Ganda, meron na agad siyang parang disclaimer. Hindi naman disclaimer, but meron na agad wise words. Pero totoo naman talaga, it will depend on your skills, market demand, passion for the business. So number 1, e-commerce. Basically, online selling. Number 2, online education and training. Yun pa rin ulit. Health and wellness, yun pa rin ulit. Sustainable and eco-friendly products, guys. Sobrang mahal mag-umpisa ng business that's centered on producing sustainable products or eco-friendly products. Medyo magastos yan. Next is virtual and augmented reality, guys. Meron akong group, meron akong Facebook group na gagawin ko na siya into a Discord where we talk investment, we talk business, current events. And paulit-ulit ako for the past year up until now. Sinasabi ko sa kanila that we should get into the VR and AR business, mate. Be actual units like the Oculus, meron akong Oculus dito. Or accessories, software, new technologies. Yes, I think virtual or VR and AR, medyo magastos siya. But if you want to think big, kasi ang dami nang pwedeng gawin sa VR ngayon. Meron akong ilalabas na episode kung saan naghahanap ako ng pera, ways to make money through VR, guys. I don't know if you have any idea, pero there's a lot of ways and a lot of things that you can do in the VR world. Number 7 is online mental health services. Actually, my friend ako na nag-start ng company na to. I'm not sure how it's going now, but there's a lot of money to be made here. Medyo mahirap nga lang siya, I would say, obviously, because ideally you have a license to be able to deal with mental health. I think what's better is if we don't need. Again, mention yung virtual event planning. Number 9 is home-based delivery service. One of my first ever ideas back in 2013 or 2014 was exactly this, home-based delivery services. Kind of like Grab pero more on groceries. Just goes to show na pag meron kang idea, meron kang naiisip na diskarte, just go with it. Do whatever you can to secure an MVP. Make sure that the MVP is working. Yung dami ko sinasabi kasi this idea is really close to my heart. Last but not the least is technology-based services. Same lang. App dev, web dev. AI definitely is in demand. I used to work for an outsourcing company, one of the best outsourcing companies in the Philippines as a business developer, and then I transitioned to branding, but there were a lot of clients that were looking for help in the AI space. So yeah, if you want to get in that business, I think okay yun. What's the quickest way to make money in 2023? Hindi natin kung magbabago yung sagot niya. Okay, so it looks like ni-rearrange na lang yung mga sagot, but online surveys, I don't know if this still works. Does it still work? Comment down below kung nakapag-online survey na kayo at kumita kayo. Actually, gusto ko i-try sa sarili ko, but comment down below if it worked for you. Virtual assistant, yes. There's still a huge demand for VAs. Medyo naging mas mahirap lang ngayon because yung pricing sa Mexico, medyo pantay na sa atin. I think the best thing I can say about that is go out there, test the waters, and try it. What's the best food business to open in 2023? Gusto ko talaga yung may disclaimer, o meron talaga siyang wise words before magbigay ng sagot eh. Food delivery and takeout services, yes, inulit niya lang. Specialty food trucks. Guys, hindi ko alam kung bakit but why are there not more food trucks dito sa Philippines. Ingit na ingit ako sa States. Ang dami naming food trucks doon na parang talaga nagkalat sila. But although meron ako nakita sa Glorieta one time, sa BGC, alam ko may mga food trucks, but why don't they have that everywhere? Because I think it makes sense, diba? Especially food truck. Yung food trucks lang talaga, guys, syempre dapat presentable. I think that's where a majority of your funds will go, is making sure that you have a really good and clean food truck. But yeah, if you have the funding for it, why not? Meal prep and home delivery services. Medyo parang nag-die down yung meal prep, no? Kasi naghahanap ako, parang wala akong mahanap na okay. If you know any in the Parañaque area, comment down below. Home-based food business, everyone can do this. And everyone knows na possible din naman to. Online grocery and specialty food stores. Interestingly enough, ang dami ngayon nito, di ba? Virtual food markets, medyo same lang. Plant-based and organic food, isa pa to. I think ito medyo magastos to start or magastos ma-maintain, but we need more of this. Shoutout na rin sa Wabi Sabi, very memorable for me and my wife. Check out nyo Wabi Sabi. Meron sa Makati, meron sa Quezon City. On-demand food platforms. With trend convenience on-demand services and demand food platforms. Next is, what kind of dishes are trending right now? Check lang natin. As of my knowledge, cut off in 2021. May cut off yung knowledge niya, 2021. Some of the dishes that were trending in the food industry include plant-based dishes, okay, like we said, global cuisine, Korean barbecue, Middle Eastern. Middle Eastern apparently is one of the healthiest types of dishes in the world. Southeast Asian street food, urban comfort food, health and wellness focused dishes, sustainable locally sourced food, bold and spicy flavors such as Korean kimchi, Mexican mole, and Jamaican jerk have been trending. Okay, so last question is, do you think cryptocurrencies will make a comeback? Ano ang spelling na comeback? I am an AI model and do not have the ability to predict future or provide investment advice. However, it is important to know the value of popularity of cryptocurrencies can be volatile and subject to market fluctuations. It is always important to conduct thorough research and consult with professionals for making any investment decisions. At the end of the day, guys, just get out there and start something. Try something out. See if it works. If it doesn't work or you fail forward, but try something else again. Don't just stop there. Don't give up. Subok lang ng subok, diskarte lang ng diskarte. Also, quick note, hopefully nagustuhan nyo pa rin to, even if yung mga previous episodes ko more on kung saan ako nagpupunta, stand up na. So if you like this video, please click subscribe. If you don't like it, watch my other videos, and if you like that, maybe then magustuhan nyo na mag-subscribe. But please subscribe because I really want to make content work this year. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And as I always say at the end of every episode, keep healthy, stay humble, and appreciate the small things. I'll see you on the next one, Diskarte fam.